Hello, and welcome to our video on 10 facts about vitamin D that most people didn't know. If you've picked up a newspaper or magazine in the past 10 years, you've read about vitamin D. Maybe you've heard it called the sunshine vitamin, or read that deficiency in vitamin D is linked to heart disease or cancer. Both of those are true. You've probably also heard that 15 minutes of morning sun is enough to meet your vitamin D needs. Or that 3 servings of dairy will do the trick. With the possible exception of C, there's perhaps no vitamin more frequently discussed than the sunshine one, aka vitamin D. It's no wonder. Vitamin D is a workhorse nutrient. According to the National Institutes of Health, among its functions are strengthening bones, absorbing calcium, and bolstering immunity. Why should you care about vitamin D? Vitamin D plays a role in every system in the body, affecting your skin, brain health, bones, blood sugar, cholesterol, hormone balance, joint health, risk for cancer, and likelihood of developing autoimmune disease. And that's just the short list. But this video is not going into the myriad of benefits of vitamin D. I will instead be getting you up to speed on some little-known facts about this vitamin, and correct some common myths, to ensure you don't become vitamin D deficient. However, there are many lesser-known facts about this important vitamin that you may not be aware of. So, let's dive in. Number 1. Vitamin D is not just a vitamin, it's also a hormone. Vitamin D is unique in that it's not used in the body like most vitamins. It's actually better classified as a hormone. Its primary role in the body is to maintain normal blood levels of calcium and phosphorus. But it has far-reaching effects across body systems, from bones, cardiovascular, endocrine, neural function, immune health, and a whole lot more. Vitamin D is so crucial that it actually regulates the activity of over 200 genes, which is many-fold more than any other vitamin. Number 2. It's estimated that over 1 billion people worldwide have a vitamin D deficiency. This is largely due to our modern lifestyles, which involve spending more time indoors and using sunscreen to protect our skin from the harmful effects of the sun. A lack of vitamin D can lead to a host of health problems, including osteoporosis, depression, and a weakened immune system. Number 3. It's the only vitamin you can make from the sun. One of the coolest things about vitamin D is how it's made. I'm kind of obsessed with this whole process because there are so many factors that can mess it up. But, let's talk about it first as if it's a well-oiled machine. Vitamin D is made in your skin when you are exposed to UVB light at a very specific wavelength. The UVB rays interact with a precursor in your skin, 7-dehydrocholesterol, turning it into vitamin D3. From there, vitamin D3 is transported to different places in the body where it gets activated, meaning it is ready for use by the body. Number 4. You make most vitamin D midday. You might have heard that you should avoid midday sun exposure, since that's when the sun emits more damaging rays. However, those damaging rays are the ones that your skin uses to make vitamin D. UVB rays are at their peak between roughly 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., so if you've been taking an early morning walk to get your vitamin D, you might want to rethink it. Or spend some additional time outdoors midday. Number 5. The more vitamin D you get, the better. Too much of a good thing can be a bad thing, and so it goes with vitamin D. While it is rare to get too much vitamin D, it's not that it can't happen. In this situation, a vitamin D toxicity has serious health consequences. The most common way this happens is by taking too high a dosage of vitamin D supplements. Number 6. Having low vitamin D is linked to a bad mood. If you're feeling low, you may want to get your vitamin D levels checked. According to a study, vitamin D seems to play a role in the production of serotonin. Serotonin is a hormone that helps regulate mood and sleep. Number 7. Vitamin D may help reduce the risk of autoimmune diseases. Autoimmune diseases occur when the body's immune system attacks its own tissues. However, studies have shown that vitamin D may help regulate the immune system and reduce the risk of autoimmune diseases such as multiple sclerosis and rheumatoid arthritis. Number 8. Vitamin D can be obtained from food sources such as fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified foods. While sunlight is the primary source of vitamin D, it can also be obtained from certain foods. Fatty fish such as salmon and tuna are particularly rich in vitamin D, as are egg yolks and fortified foods such as milk and cereal. Number 9. People with dark skin may require more sunlight exposure to produce adequate amounts of vitamin D. Melanin, the pigment that gives skin its color, can reduce the skin's ability to produce vitamin D. This means that people with darker skin may need to spend more time in the sun to produce adequate amounts of vitamin D. Lastly, vitamin D supplements can help prevent osteoporosis and fractures in older adults. Osteoporosis is a condition that causes the bones to become brittle and weak, increasing the risk of fractures. However, studies have shown that taking vitamin D supplements can help prevent osteoporosis and reduce the risk of fractures in older adults. So there you have it, 10 facts about vitamin D that you may not have known before. Remember, it's important to get enough vitamin D to keep your bones strong, your immune system healthy, and your mood stable. If you're not sure if you're getting enough vitamin D, talk to your healthcare provider about whether a supplement may be right for you. Thanks for watching.